Lord Shiva. Bam bole. Parvati is my wife. Ganesha and Kartikeya are my son. Ashok Sundari is my daughter. Nandi is my vahan. People chant my mantra is Om Namah Shivaya. I always help my devotees. I am so called Neelakantha, Mahakal, Mahadev and Kedar. My 12 Jyotirling are located in India, like Saurashtre Somanathancham, Srisailam Mallikarjunam, Ujjaine Mahakalam, Omkale Maleshwaram, Paralavijjanathancham, Dakinabhimashankaram, Setubandhetu Ramesham, Rameshwaram Davakame, Varanasatu Vishvesham, Trambakam Gautundate, Himale tu Kedar Vishe, Shivale Tani Jyotirlingani, Saipa Saptajanmurtipa, Pas Pane Vinashpati. Thank you. Bam bam bole, bam bam bole.